Hello, Virgo. Welcome to your reading. This is for May 24th to May the 27th. No? So, Virgo, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate. Hit that notification bell para po ma-notify kayo every time na tayo po nagre-release po ng bagong video. Ano? So, Virgo, kung gusto nyo rin pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yun, that is Babaylan TV. May mga readings din po tayo doon. So, that is our international channel, no, catered for our international audience, of course. So, Virgo, kung hindi ninyo ma-samplehan itong live sessions, no, pwede naman po kayong magtanong dito sa YouTube video, no? Sa comment section, as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no, by all means po, no? I-drop niyo yung question ninyo. And Virgo, if in case that yung feeling ninyo na hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no question, no? Sa description box po ng YouTube video, meron po dong link, no? All you just have to do is to click the link. You will be routed to my website, no? Meron po dong form, no? That would be good for one question. May mga drop downs po, no? Good for two questions. And we have a promotion of 4+1. So, in total of 5 questions. Kung gusto nyo rin po ng private reading, nandun po yan sa description box. So, Virgo, this is a general reading, and you may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Virgo, simulan na natin. So, bakit ang daming tanong natin na parang kailan tayo seseryosohin? Or kailan magseseryoso itong person mo? Kailan, or kailan siya babalik? Ano? Or kailan maayos ang relasyon? Alam mong mangyayari. Alam mong papunta kayo sa isang seryosong relasyon. Pero ang tanong, kailan, paano, bakit, no? Ang dami. With the Chariot, the Page of Swords, and the Four of Swords. So parang ang sinasabi mo dito, paano mangyayari na magkakaroon kami ng isang seryosong relasyon kung malayo kami sa isa't isa? Or kung aalis siya, pwedeng pupunta siya ng kabilang barangay, no? Or lilipat ng bahay. You know, the distance may be, katulad sabi ko, barangay, barrio, city, state, county, country, different continent, different country. It doesn't matter. Yung distance ba, paano nyo may pagpapatuloy kung magiging LDR kayo, no? Or long distance relationship. Where's the Star and the Seven of Pentacles? So, ganun pa rin ba ang magiging relasyon ninyo kung sakaling magkakaroon kayo ng distance at yung mag-aantay kayo ng matagal? Kasi meron ditong fear, no, na baka mamaya lumamlam ang inyong relationship if in case mabaling yung kanyang pagtingin, no, sa iba. With the Judgment, the Five of Swords, and the Eight of Swords. So, kumbaga sa'yo, you're crossing your finger na sana wag na lang siyang umalis, na sana wag na lang siyang, sabihin natin, mag-ibang lugar. Ano? Pero hindi mo naman kasi din kayang mapigilan dahil nga, sino ba naman tayo, no, para pigilan, lalo na kung meron siyang mga dreams and aspirations in life. With the Knight of Swords and the Fool card. So nakakita rin ako dito na parang nabigla ka, no, na-shock ka sa either paalam niya or balitang ito na kailangan niyang umalis, no? Or lumayo sa'yo panandalian. Hindi naman kayo magse-separate dahil nag-break kayo. Yung separations dito is yung distance nga, yung mawawala siya doon sa parang bubble or vicinity natin, or sa anong tinatawag natin doon, parang yung circumference sa bubble nga natin, no? With the Fool card in here, parang sinasabi mo kabago-bago pa lang, no? Or hindi ko masyadong hindi pa nagsi-sink in. Pero the thought of it, parang paano na ang relasyon, no? Kung aalis ka. So this is your reading for now, Virgo. Uh, Tignan natin ang zodiac sign ng person mo. Now, this could be their sun sign. It could also be a placement in their chart. What I am seeing in here is Aries, Taurus, I'm seeing Cancer, I'm seeing Aquarius. Taurus is napaka-dominant. Ano? So, Virgo, this is your reading. And again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, dun po yung sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa live session sa kabilang channel din po yun, pwede po kayong magtanong dito. You have a lot of options para makapagtanong as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And meron pong form, no? You can ask a question 24/7. Just follow the instructions, no? Once you click the link, you will be routed to my website and type in your questions, click submit. If you also want to book a private reading, nandun po yun sa baba, no? Sa description box. So maraming salamat po, Virgo. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.